The portrait mode on your Galaxy S23 uses depth effects to create professional-looking shots with blurred backgrounds. However, some users find this mode doesn't work or crashes on their S23. There are a few things you can try to get portrait mode functioning again. Before we continue, please take a moment to like our video or share it with your friends who may be having issues with their devices. It would be a great help to us. Now let's get started with our tips. Make sure the lens is clean. If the problem is that the portraits aren't that good, then it's probably just because the lenses have smudges on them. A quick look at the cameras will tell you if that's the case. If necessary, use a smooth and clean microfiber cloth to clean the lenses, and after that, try to snap more portraits to see if the problem is fixed. Close and restart the camera. As long as the camera works perfectly and the lenses are clean, any problem you might encounter could be pretty minor and temporary. That might be the case here, so just try closing the camera for a second and then reopen it. Just tap the recent key and then swipe up on the camera app preview. After that, tap on the camera icon, and once it's open, take a portrait and see if that fixes the problem. Restart your phone. After doing the first two solutions and the portrait mode is still not working, then you have to refresh the memory of your phone as well as all of the services. It means you have to reboot your device. So, swipe down from the top of the screen twice and then tap the power icon. On the next screen, tap Restart and then confirm you want to reboot your phone. After the reboot, launch the camera and try to see if the problem is fixed, because if not, then move on to the next solution. Clear the cache and data of the camera app. When it comes to minor issues with the camera, an app reset can do the trick. So after doing the previous solutions and the problem persists, you have to reset the camera app, which means clearing its cache and data. This is how it's done. Open the Settings app on your device. From there, navigate to the Apps section and look for Camera. Once you find it, tap on it to access its settings. Scroll down until you see the storage option and tap on it. Here, you will see options to clear cache and clear data. Tap on both of these options to complete the process. Doing this will delete temporary files that the app uses, but it will not delete any of your photos or videos. This should fix the problem. However, if it persists or if it happens occasionally, you might have to factory reset your device. And that's pretty much it. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.